Yeah, sup guys? What's going on? Yeah, welcome to Two Star Online free online tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the basic formulas used for manipulating figures on Microsoft Excel, which are very important for anyone who are under accounting department. Talking about banking and finance, talking about storekeeper, talking about managers, I was talking about office administrator. So you gonna need to have a basic understanding of this formula. So I'll be showing you here the basic formula and also how you can really work on it. So let's first of all let me get to open my PDF file the basic formula have been where I locate my basic formula. Here is a Excel formulas. So we have function, formulas, and example. What does that simply mean? To add up the total, that means we're talking about to add up a total sum. Let me say in your office, you have as the heading, let's say you have, okay, book. Oh man, I love book. Tab, you have book. You have, let me say pen. Let me just go say maybe a storekeeper. Then say, okay, we have 50 book, we have 60 pen. Then what is the total? How can we calculate the total? Just is equal to SUM sum, bracket open, B1. No, sorry, B2. Why we're talking about B2, you see, this is B and book is under B and 50 is beside 2. So remember that we are trying to add up 50 and 60 together. So column, your column sign by holding your shift key and press C2. You see now, bracket close and enter key. That will get 110. You see, what they calling it, the answer is correct. So 20, 40, the same step is equal to sum. Remember, we're adding things together. Open bracket. B3, column, and C3. Bracket close, and enter key. Now we got our formula for addition. So that means when you want to add a number together, make sure that you put your formula is equal to sum, bracket open, columns and rows. So the next thing is how to add an individual items together. We're talking about individual items. You're talking about maybe you have a 3-letter here. I mean, you have a 3 number here, and you want to take it. Well, this you want to add only 50 and 60 together. You don't want to add 110 together with it because if you are using the form of is equal to sum now, it's going to be dragging all together. That's is equal to sum, bracket open, and you said okay, B and column, and you said D. Okay, you said B and column. Okay, sorry, B, B2, yeah. I say okay, column, and D, D2. You're taking the three together. That means this 50, 60, and 110 will be added together. But so what we got to do right now is to say C2. C2. Do you see C2? Bracket close and enter key. Do you see now that we got 110? But if we are talking about maybe we want to take all together, that means if you want to calculate every sum together, that means we want to calculate the sum that we just did previously. You need to take the first and the last. That's how to calculate the sum. But if you want to calculate an individual, you need to take what? The columns and the rows, which is the B2 and C2. Now, let's look to the next step. We're talking about subtraction. That means you want to subtract from the value. That means you want to subtract. Since you want to subtract 20 from 40, the formula is equal to not sum again. is equal to bracket open. Your is equal to is a very important sign that must follow in any systems that you are doing a manipulation of data that you are doing on Microsoft Excel. So it's equal to what? B3 hyphen, that means talking about minus, and C3 bracket close and enter key. Come on, we get it, man. That means giving us what? 20 that is equal to. So that's subtraction. The next, multiply. That means we want to multiply. That multiplication. Let's say okay. Let's say 20 times 40. 20 times 40 is equal to bracket open B3 times, by holding your shift key and press locate a symbol like this, which is the star, and the C3 bracket close and enter key. That's a multiplication, so giving us 800. So that means when you use the calculator to calculate 20 times 40, it will give you 800. So let's look to the next step. Divide. That means you want to divide. To divide, that means let's say 20 divided by 40, which we know is going to give us 2. That means is equal to B3 slash, you know you see a slash in your system, C3 enter key. No, we want to make a mistake here because there is no brackets open and bracket close here. Yes, we now make a mistake here. Okay, bracket open and bracket close. Very important. No, okay, it can't be that. No, why we getting this issue is that there is no way that 20 can divide for, it's 40 that divide 20. So let's get to do some experiments here by taking the C3 and the B3. That's the C3 slash B3, C3 slash B3, enter key 2. You see now it's working. So that means the higher number will be at the front, the lower number. So that means so that we can really get the right example of what we are trying to do. So we still have more formulas here. Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about the average. They're looking for the average number of this. That means this particular cell, talking about 20, 40, 60, 20, and 80. Let's look at the average number. The average number you take from the first to the last. That means is equal to average, AV. When we are typing this, anything will just come out. So you just click on average. You say okay, B3 column. That's the formula. F3. So we're looking for the average of this particular cell. Close and enter key. Our average here is 180. We all know what they call average now. So let's look at the next formula. Talking about median cell. Talking about maximum and minimum. So we're talking about the highest number and the median number and also the lowest number. Okay, how can we know the highest number is equal to what? Max, M-A-X, max, B3 column and F3. I'm talking about the highest number located in this place. Talking maybe is it 800 is the highest number? Is it 20? Is it 60? Is it 40? Is it 20? We want to know by calculating. Enter key telling us is what? 800. That is the highest number. Then which one is the minimum number? Minimum, MIN, mean. That's the formula. Is equal to main bracket open, columns and rows, columns and rows, and bracket close. Then what? Enter key. The minimum number here is 20. Then which one is the median? Median number. All median is out. the median number here, the median number, the median number is 40. So with this understanding, you really have some basic understanding of this Microsoft Excel formula. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you some simple trick that really has an advanced and also works on, I will also give you some tutorial on how you can really work on a spreadsheet as an accountant or a chartered accountant and so on and so forth. So I wish you the best as you subscribe to Two-Star Technology. Keep on following us up on our social media and also the WhatsApp group, and also anywhere that you see Two-Star Technology. We are ready to give you the best. Have a nice day.